Most people dream about making money online, but almost nobody understands the real reason they never earn even their first 100. Today that changes. 1. The big truth. Here is a truth many people avoid. Making money online is simple, but it is not easy. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need special skills. You only need one thing. Choose one simple method and stay with it long enough to win. People don't fail because the internet is hard. They fail because they keep jumping from one method to another, chasing the next hack, the next shortcut, the next secret. It is built by consistency, by showing up every day, even when you feel tired, even when no one believes in you, even when it feels slow. That is the truth most people never hear. 2. Why most people fail. Most people fail before they ever start, not because they are lazy, but because they compare their beginning to someone else's success story. They see big numbers online, $10,000 a month, passive income, success without effort, and suddenly their small steps feel meaningless. They feel behind. They feel slow. They feel like they can't catch up. So they quit. They stop trying after 3 days, 3 attempts, or 3 tiny failures. But here's the reality. Every big online success you admire today started with one small win, one sale, one client, one tiny amount of money that proved something important. I can do this. 3. What actually works? Real paths to your first $100. Let's make this simple. Here are 3 real methods anyone can use to make their first $100 online. No money needed, no experience needed, just consistency. Method 1. Micro-freelancing. You don't need to be an expert. Start with small, simple tasks like writing short captions, editing photos, creating simple Canva designs, making short video clips, doing AI voiceovers, creating logos with AI. These tasks pay between $5 and $20 each. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and Facebook groups are full of people who need quick help. Do 5, 10, or 15 small tasks, and you reach your first $100 faster than you expect. Method 2. Selling simple digital products. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need a store. Just create simple digital files on Canva like journals, planners, resume templates, study notes, simple digital art, ebooks. Then upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Sell them for $5 to $10. One product, one design, can make sales over and over again, even while you sleep. Your first $100 could come from a single digital file. Method 3. Using AI tools to offer fast services. AI has given beginners the biggest shortcut ever. You can use AI to create voiceovers, short scripts, social media posts, blog articles, logos, product descriptions. People will pay you not for perfection, but for speed. You can charge $10, $20, even $50 per project. And yes, you can reach your first $100 faster than you ever thought possible. 4. Cinematic motivation. Now listen closely. Your first $100 online is not about the money. It is about belief. Because the moment you earn your first $100 online, everything inside you changes. You stop doubting yourself. You stop feeling lost. You stop feeling like you're behind everyone else. Instead, you feel powerful, focused, capable. Your first $100 is not a goal. It is proof. Proof that you can build something your future self will thank you for. Once you make your first $100, the next $100 becomes easier. Then $500, then $1,000, then more. The hardest part is simply starting. 5. Final message plus call to action. So here is your challenge. Choose one method from this video. Not all 3. Not 10. Just one. Focus on it for the next 30 days. Show up every day. Be consistent and watch what happens. If you're ready to start your online journey, type "I will start today" in the comments. And if you want more simple, powerful videos about making money online, mindset, and financial freedom, hit subscribe and watch the next video on your screen right now. Your future is calling. Don't ignore it.